Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about example of correlation coefficients, or we can say examples of Cole-Pearson correlation coefficient. So calculate the correlation coefficient for the following heights in inches given fathers and their son Y. Fathers and his sons height is given. We need to calculate correlation coefficient. So see how we'll get the value here. So this is the way. First of all, we have to create this table which is with this one, like x is already given in a question and y is already given in a questions. X is the father height and y is the his son height is given already. So always keeping in mind the co formula or correlation between x and y. Once we know this formula, what is the formula for this? So keeping in mind of the formula, we have to create the x square column. So each variable square will get x square. Y square, we have to square of the each value of the y variable, and we have to multiply x and y corresponding value will multiply, will get the xy column, and we have to sum all the columns. Summation x square, summation y square, summation xy. Then we'll go for the next calculation parts. We can calculate x bar mean. We can calculate summation x divided by number of observations, summation y divided by number of observation. We can get the x bar and y bar. So if we know this formula already, we have discussed covariance xy and sigma y. Same formula we can write like this: correlation between x and y is equal to this formula. And then we, on behalf of previous slide, as all the information given in the table, we can just put the value here. All the values will put here, and we can calculate manually with help of the calculators. So we'll get this value, and finally we'll get this value. So this is the value of the correlation coefficient between x and y. This is the simple way of the calculations. Now we have one another example. We can calculate and we can understand more here. The study conducted in 6 different villages on quantity of alcohol consumed per month and number of years lived. So this is the villages. 6 villages name is given. Average number of liters of alcohol consumption is given, and if they are consumption, this consumption is given, and how many years they are going to be survive. This kind of the example is given. Now how will get the correlation coefficient? This is the important. So again, keeping the formula in mind, x already given, y already is given, so we can square each value of the x. So we'll get x square, will square y value, each value of the y, so y square, and we'll multiply this corresponding value, this like this, and we'll get the xy column. Then again we need to sum all the columns. So all column summations will get here. Then simple x bar value we can find out this, and y bar means mean value of the y variable, mean value of the x variable, we can find out easily here. Then we'll, as we know the formula correlation coefficient between x and y, we can write the formula here. And again, same like previous example, we have to put all the values from the previous tables, and this is the simple steps. We can calculate all the values stepwise here. So if once we'll go this stepwise with help of the calculator, we can find out the value like this, and then again we have to calculate like this, and this, and final value will get minus 0.2612. So as the answer is minus 0.2612, so there is a negative and weak correlation between the considered variable. So here our conclusion is there is no relationship between drinking of alcohol and decrease in lifespan. So this is the simple steps for calculation of the Karl Pearson correlation coefficients. Thank you everyone.